You've seen it, right? A giant cruise ship tied up with what looks like a few ropes and a simple knot. Myth says that knot is doing the heavy lifting. Physics says something way cooler is. Here's the hook. I can hold a ship with my fingertips, not because I'm strong, because of wraps, friction, and geometry. When a line loops around a post, called a bollard or a bit, the capstan effect kicks in. Little pull in equals huge hold out. The math is T out equals T in times E to the mu theta. Translation: every wrap multiplies grip exponentially. Say friction mu is around 0.3, and I take 3 full wraps. That's about 18.5 radians of contact. E to the 0.3 times 18.5 is roughly 300. So, 5 pounds in my hand can resist 1,500 pounds on the ship side. Add a 4th wrap? You're in nope. That's not moving territory. That's why dock crews don't muscle ships. They stage force with smart surfaces, bollards, cleats, fairleads. The knot you see, the cleat hitch, just locks the already tamed line. Meanwhile, cruise ships don't rely on one line. They use multiple hawsers, bow stern for spring aft spring. Each line counters wind current drift pivot. The lines are thick for a reason. Modern mooring ropes are often nylon or polyester blends. They stretch like a bungee, storing energy and damping shocks. That reduces peak loads and keeps hardware within safe limits. So the knot, it's the lock. The wraps and friction do the work. That's how a simple knot helps hold a floating city. Thanks and for watching. If this helped, I'll subscribe. Comment what to explore next. Quick tag. See you on deck.